Hey guys, today we're going to learn how to create a directory in Linux. Now we're not going to show you this on the, using the GUI because that's kind of, I don't think anybody's searching for that. We're going to do this on the command line. So, all right, so let's jump right into it. To make it, we're in a directory called test. Now to make a directory, you would say mkdir and the directory name. You might say dir1, and there we go. There's our directory. I have a bunch of junk in here. I'm just going to clear this out. But we can see right there, there's the directory we created, dir1. Now, all right, there we go, empty directory. Now, mkdir test1. We can create a directory called test1. Now, we could create another directory. And there we go. We have two directories now. Now, say if you want to create a subdirectory, we can say in one of these directories, we could say mkdir test2 sub1, right? Now, if we were to say, if we were to try to create a subdirectory in a directory that doesn't exist, like 3, well, let's say Control C, and first let's see. Right now we have test1 and test2, and the structure looks like this. So there's no test3 directory, right? So if we said mkdir test3 sub1, it's going to say cannot create directory test3 sub1, no such file or directory. And what that's telling us is it can't create this full path. It can't create the subdirectory because this parent directory doesn't exist yet. So you can automatically create the parent directory and the subdirectory in one shot by using the -p flag. So -p, and there we go, created successfully. So there we go, there's our test3. And inside it we have sub1. So our structure looks like this now. All right, so there we go. That's how you would create a subdirectory. Next thing we should see, you know what, let's just do that again just to show a more complicated example. All right, so sub1, A, B, sub2, test. There we go. And let's just show that now we have that created a whole bunch of subdirectories nested inside each other, all with one command. Just remember, use the -p flag. So we can also use an absolute path. So we could say mkdir home user1 test and xyz, right? Now that's going to create the xyz directory. Now we could also create that above here, xyz test it, xyz test it, and there we go. We've created the xyz test it directory. So there you go. That's about everything you would want to know about creating directories in Linux. So hopefully you found this useful, or at least interesting, if nothing else. You might want to give me a thumbs up. You might want to hit that subscribe button also, and hit the little bell icon. Otherwise, YouTube's probably not going to let you know when we come out with a new video. We do have a lot of great stuff coming up, and we've actually, if you want to check our list of videos, we've already put out a lot of pretty interesting things, some more interesting than others. We cover a lot of great stuff, coding, servers, hardware, software, 3D printing, electronics, single board computers, robots, networking, all sorts of great tech related stuff that you're not going to want to miss. So if you want your YouTube feed to be that much more interesting, you're going to want to hit that subscribe button. But more important than any of that stuff, you're going to want to leave a comment down below, especially if you know something that I don't know. Definitely let me know, not just for me, but for the next person who comes along and watches this video and reads the comments. Leave a comment for them also. Any comments, questions, criticisms, whatever you want to say, I probably want to hear it. So do leave a comment down below. And that's pretty much it for today. So as always, thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys next time.